some Easter eggs, Easter eggs, Easter eggs. We're off to find some Easter eggs. Hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho! Bunnies hopping up and down, up and down, up and down. Bunnies hopping up and down, oh, let's see where they go. Down the trail we follow them, follow them, follow them. They will lead us to the eggs, we know, we know, we know. We found some eggs, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We found some eggs, 1, 2, 3. Hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho. Let's follow the trail to find some more. Find some more, find some more, find some more. Let's follow the trail to find some more. Who will find the most? Our baskets, they are full of eggs, full of eggs, full of eggs. Our baskets, they are full of eggs. Hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho. We found more eggs, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We found more eggs, 1, 2, 3. Hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho. Hippity-hop and away we go, away we go, away we go. We're off to find the big surprise. Hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho. Baby John has found a surprise, found a surprise. Baby John has found a surprise. Hi-ho, hi-ho.
Hello friends, please like and subscribe for more fun with Yuv Rhymes.